Yeah, as usual, you join the live video and then you try to share it. I'll join you now. Watch out, man. Technical discussion. Now to see how much Mama out of Islam and take her to the East and just a valley. That's right. It's a goal. We back and know say that a goal. So man nothing make this money from this earth and this yeah. It's a goal. Them no say it's a goal. So if them say education, they must learn proper teachings. Yeah. And I responded to in Sambia, Makokre Kumante more. Kekaya. Spiritual destination. Prepaka is a good one. Them no say is a good view. From the center right to the pole. Yeah. Well. You know, listen now, yeah, long time story. Now we're getting the glory. Way back to tell me long time ago, say boy don't worry. Now we just shine. People love my vibe. Yeah, I beg you join her, then you share the live video, give me. Or not anything positive. I want energy to some tight discussions with. Well, why? We not fear no guy. Because this liberty is a blessing from the Holy Most High. Wow. Nobody know life. Yeah, what a topic now, maybe I have to life. Maybe sir. Yeah, discussion here, post or hit FM now. Me follow discussion no. I think 4 or 5 days ago, now yes, no. May check it 1 or 2 things. Them lose them ways, them lose them senses. So. Not today. So. From colonization. That's right. Okay, what a topic now? Discussion because of hit FM. Akuku damfua omona Ghana nyomda koso no mona chese omona nimu na andi dusty wo obi Makokre Kumante mu Mr Logic mu nyina no mu wase a lot of issues na PM wo but no more where part of niema no more where say Shatawale, and I think Makokre Kumante trying to make that statement. You know, say Shatawale Kasabia no person what the credit here then. Just the SM soldiers now, and I say SM fans. No, I say no. Or my creditors who to me check credit ni mumbi no they be ma the media, traditional media, traditional media now we are making reference to television stations, mainstream radio stations, you know. It was a shot at your chance, we are not shot at Casa, or so just the SM boys, no Kwana, Abwa, Ama, Drew, baby, or Drew, but it shouldn't be so. So to me, a divided credit, no, they be more so. And on a member Tina has say, my dear and church movie issue, no, I can see bear 4 days, bear 4 or 5 days, but not me person, me very. I receive a lot of attention across board now. Say no, me so me share my opinion. Strictly cognitive reasoning, no. And to me, person me bought a dear kid to be answer na mashas here.
People keep asking, who is called Mickey? Others will tell you he's a sports analyst. Others will tell you that he's a counselor. Others will tell you that he's much into music commentary. I am called Mickey. I classify myself as one of the best armchair theorizers in Ghana. I'm always out there to investigate ideas for myself. I learn based on vicarious learning and I am a good observant. I have a technical eye. This is called Mickey.
My main fancy a doors but my money and men post no na family issues no. we no wa adwen kire bia equally obetumi atwro na along the line no makan say motion now mo the to board no say Shatta Wale to me recognize the effort of traditional media no radio mainstream radio stations ni TV stations no on a success mo na say ya Shatta kan no so mo amwa no one ne fans na atumi afight abeduru ba bi o moduru no obetumi de wadwen kire den aba na me so me positions be but of course strictly cognitive analysis na me ben wa na my Kweku Mantemu nyina nya ade a me ye bitia they will understand the positions na me dey to dwa no strictly cognitive. You see Shatta wo yeah but try with people say a code why the guy be your course or something the steady I say no make them relax. Shatta wo those days na no bandana no. Those days now they were bandana no. Or call down no. Net fall back now and I said down now or share for over 8-9 years running no. Now this same traditional media for no. And a man call down. And yes down now call no ni enyumu ni mu biemo. He was still doing tracks. Or precious stone or telephone number or tracks baby or and to me I'm out not because na enyom na good oh I'm out because these individuals no mo hia credit no na enam so na I'm out mbese me bo Shatta Wale audio bi na uti ade bi ansa na matoa so just a short one me bo no audio ketwa bi na yetie nsem bi a Shatta kan nsem we o kan I think somewhere 2014 2015 mo ho na o kan nsem we muntie
this industry has really made me learn a lot. You know, what I would say really shook me sometime was when, you know, they stopped playing my songs on radio.
They stopped playing your songs?
Yeah, you know, like every DJ, like nobody wanted to play Bandana songs.
What did you say? What happened?
Yeah, those are the times when, you know, when you put my poster on the show, I'll come and see you and at least chop 2 slaps. You know, I'll come and call you somewhere, you know, and ask you, why are you doing that? Put you in my car, go and park somewhere, give you another 2 slaps. You know, because they were doing it too much, and I was like, oh, but why don't you can't do that to Two-Face? No. Okay, you know, so what I think, those times too, I was young, so I wanted to fight for, you know, what, let them know, because I was like Budog saying, I've been watching stars all over the world, and you know, they don't treat them like that. So I was wondering why Ghanaians are treating their stars like that. So, you know, it made me put up some anger, you know, but later on, like, as I was going with the career, I was like, oh, this is all mine, you know, this is mine.
So how long did they stop playing your music?
For about like 7-8 years.
Really?
Yeah, you know, from Bandana, after Bandana from Ghana, 2 years, you know, they stopped because, you know, I would say I didn't understand the industry by then, you know, I didn't know that was what people were doing, because I thought it was all about love, you know, you play good music, people love you. So, you know, it was going on, and sometimes I can be in the room and go like, God, you know, I told God one day that he should just give me one more chance, because he didn't bring me to the world to disgrace him. He brought me to show these people what his talent was. So he should just give me one more chance. I want to prove a point. So anytime I'm playing beats, I'll be praying, you know, I just playing something. Sometimes I can play beats and sleep and wake up and go like, God, the beat is still on. Where is it? Show me the post office so I'll go and take it myself. You know, because I wasn't really getting the kind of beats I wanted to get. But, you know, I believe prayers also worked for me. You know, whilst I was worrying, I was gathering that courage, and, you know, something was like, just move, you get in there, you know. So I believe the sabotaging times were one of the difficult times, because, you know, then I was finding, you know, living difficult, you know. Yeah, it was very hectic.
Wow. Show some love, man.
See, we're American about 2014, 2015, I'm granting an interview. Time I was dance hall can nearby, you know. What in some number to me boss and my explanations, then you're aggressive, ABR. What in some now can I? What na industry ni mono the days of bandana no otumi epie no won say ye de ni picture poster bi na ni picture dam ebia no oni hu idea bia when I heard the way I was sit even assistance now also hu ade sa na on won ti ase enti ebia the way na industry no expect so ya twi nkrofo di time bia no obeba ne acho so chale o de no problem e bo show ne be pe kakra ma o so no onye ne sa wo hu ade na obe ratio or ratio no wa man a good explanation asombo bet my den apie wo ho enti media ne yo mo adwene say guy we no ye be bu na pre because on person obe respect the order of the day, and I'm telling you Ghana no that is the order of the day. Say ohia amwa na yeah ade kura na oye ni ya kwabna ne pese o de that form the way o that form kura na sa form dana o dana e bi enye the right way once asa no ne pen one yes ade na you can't get there. Your big men are the occupy sensitive positions your crofo are they are qualified for jobs don't fair jumane mawo because what pay favor be if you are a young girl or person or no dance and or the jumana ma o cast all my or no nah you will not get the job. It is sad that say those days near Mabisano or say he was young, I was young by then. Oh no one industry now so no your dream say no I'm doing good music and the other internet say ebinum use me capitalize on what on ebia say me ignorant on nyema bi no mo use my adwene sa on twen e no mo yes o mo mbọ nyom or say for 7 years where the audio na me born nya enura o 2014 2015 for 7 years and that 7-8 years now one tenenka from the days of Bandana or Senke this was the reason. And you make good na me yes ade no enya wo the SM member na yes ade this same media no mo pay credit no e na o mo pia nipa no e de ni wura ground sir. Now you see one thing I respect about this guy and say the 7 over back tire this back tire guy ya wo na say o mo nyina call down they couldn't come back. And now when you more tenacity abuso mo niema e de o mo call down wa e bia Shatawale de no kra esua. Your musicians be brea o be busa say na akwa no suddenly lo ma yira wo system ni mu o ne net na se no busa na o be ka kire wo say chale e bia promoter bia na na ma bia and they are all part of this traditional media na ye ka ho asem. You understand? Shatta no he was very smart. O admit say that time no so o niema be brea wo ho a wan sua. But this time around no you said no I need to now understand the system and come back strongly. To over ya upper back no one my back with be at the favor of this same traditional media no more pay credit no this guy continues is said is beat yeah na me can say yeah niema na me can very deep it takes very deep understanding niema be before you can come and sit and do this kind of analysis. He's coming back no otenase esuya said is beat. And was saying Emma Brabo Mukra anything because obi obaye star afa from nowhere ya push you down for 7 solid years. Was saying afa the DNA baby obaye that cry but he didn't give up. Osuya said he is beat. You understand? And of course, that is one of the areas about me I saw many. Wait Marco studio. The way I want to say I understand the system this way. Person me nyoma sa no. Ebi a sound engineer with my choice. No. And you man out my any say now the end you na say meanwhile who na wanya inspiration to do the song e be a vibe na wanya no adwene now where the way market needs it na kan you be hit and the shatter in the first place what na say esua asade no. And the second thing is no fortunately the days of Bandana or some call back no who say no nipa na omo na claim say they have the solutions omo na mo wo the traditional media and the television stations na yon be bo omo nyom no and na mo so and I say massa back 7 years running they don't want to play my songs and what will I do and you want to start say or create base amane ho o where ya or the smart strategy be ba mo na o e bibia or the nima di ka ho and wetin na o call Instagram say crash ni din a o use no Instagram nima ka ho. Because who said no, some it may capture those in Crawford because in Crawford no more mainstream na you do to send come we push the good work no. They sideline me said they will not play my songs. Enti or started so capture those nima nesa adabraka area or any colleague gono enti no obo nyom kura or nyum bia those they Shatawale be drop bia once abo adabraka din wom. And nyum bia be drop bia no abo nima din wom or drop nyuma no abo colleague gono ninja ni nyina na a form of or creating a base. Ena osan hu say the media na da Ghana no when you do what is right, they will not market it for you. They don't want that. Time they are looking for bad news. Media never Ghana no. So and I make us this individual, it takes somebody who knows what he's about. And obey to Martina say, I observe what there through hunger. Those days no be a superstar or no walk down through hunger. No observe you say no, I need to match the market this way. It don't say media no more controversies. And yeah, almost your money 7 years running no more money all back no, he will still need them. Then how will he do it? As what me to or say no more di or pay. And to where it got to a point that controversy be a by industry more. It revolves around Shatta Wale. And the media no so moon is a sanya one sell it. And to one say they thought they were picking the bad news to rather dent him, tarnish his image again. But not when him say bad news now no more picking, they were rather putting him out there. One I don't know. Oh, Tommy, oh, before me bad story now. Oh, Tom, not story now. The end. That can be a positive, mammy. You can't take credit. So now the map, we don't do it that way. Tiadena American won't be my family bad story. Now what my bad story no. What come market it? Say oh, the be gumi unfi. Now if a story not 10, I'm be popular. You can't take credit. So now the map, we don't do it that way. And the Shatta ni hui, the time be our back near interview na no share that throw bomb back at the tomb. On the Chatter house, no true na media the guy is disrespectful, he is a smoker, or you say no more painting. But you see, painting no more painting no. It was giving him a brand. A brand because dance hall no more no. Fortunately for Shatta Wale no, that is the tag surrounded dance hall. Enti na painting na mo painting and say we ase baby abeko bia we ase ya wo part bia obewura bia obo Shatta Wale dia na nipa na chose oh Charlie that guy is fire the way obesia Canada that guy is trouble causer in Ghana na ni nyina aye den e branding out there but na omo nim na omo dwen so mo painting no bad enti this guy no they coming back no say the American or me capture route no Nima or capture ghettos or capture into these guys my kind of video I might the SM no the root of the SM did this route no ena omo piano agenda no the only time ana media ni bam was just to sell his bad news time ana media we say media bashata asem hono they were just to sell his bad news they didn't come with good intentions. The route now or the Niema fire they coming back now. And then the piano. I got to a point, my can't same way. It got to a point that bad those days of pen drive, no. You do a training young now for cast and you're more shut down. Where Madame for beyond what you threw at Abraka 2013, 2014. Shatta no or dropping you now. You see the way I was here, they know. The way we see then obey speedy market no. Or speedy market no to the extent say you had no option. Charlie, na a week would me dropping your 3, 4. A month or you know just say eba na eba or eba na eba. Emma that barbering shop na make no guy no na down for pan Shatta. You know busa Shatta say Charlie, they will all dropping you on the lucky oh and a Shatta say Shatta says that's 7 years now. Or the free system and you ma what pack your good them no. So if it's every blessed day you're releasing your he can do it. The boy into na him. And just imagine since that time up to now 2019 a woman so catch them some number of songs I release ya I just am cut to me boy as a kind. Oh, into a speedy market to the extent say no matter the bad news no ebi o mo me ko painting bad ko painting bad de be san o de nyoma san ba o de nyoma ne ba so o route no ho route ne ye den e push nyoma no e Shatta men crank ye kan onu mom no wa boa this traditional media na wa mo ate adwuma mo ya ase wa mo ate adwuma mo ya ase na wa ma respect aba omo industry ni mo omo no one say omo no they were only praying send a downfall beba omo no more because omo hu ne say oh no Shatta na bow to omo niema bi omo pe. And anytime they reported something about Shatta Wale, Makokre Kumante or no what no cancer and anytime I know better FM so be a man tise or what FM so no akaso Shatta yon pada. Anytime we had an opportunity to talk about Shatta Wale, na the bad side of Shatta Wale. At a point ko be Shatta Wale mo niema no mo ye no enye dance hall. Emma Shatta be a video chair and say industry the way on was it industry now. So the same way on also understand industry no and they are all matching in the same way, the same market. To your na menya medie. But now they've seen said the guy is far gone. So it's a baby what draw be a person what no better pay credit nibi. Obia person what no here a better pay credit nibi. It is Shatta Wale this individual na obeje industry ni see ho. There was a time na Ghana was FM station was tia Nigeria nyom nko na yebo. Also FM station a B Square mo nyom the band mo nyom yet me ko fa hey Alhaji sa nyom no etumi ye Ghana Music Awards na ko fa kwabna ne o mo abegina ho nyoma yenti asio so Shatta koye bia na kwa mo gina kana say freedom ya nyom ben freedom wan ka hwe ni yi Alhaji no you see na industry no sa mindset no ono be ya ma Ghana ni aduro de any other opportunity be ma outsider obe boa ma Ghanaian atumi aduro ho no or the opportunity be ma outsider. It was this Shatta Wale guy na tijnai said they make can what tijnai because obai no you on this anima way bar system ni mo say what starting our studio or them say boys omo tunyum nyina me na fofo omo tunyum nyina wo si so nya computer ba kwa na speaker keto bi esi ho no record no nyum Shatta na status anima no ebia na obi ye bia na nipa no anye amaya hu say Shatta na status anima na ono awo na yi wono dem a ono obo ni beat. There was a time Shatta or the human baba baya man and Crawford complain say na are na onye videos. No the human ba na Crawford I don't onye video. Emma Shatta be cast look. Beat ni the on what me boni beat or anything on human ba no. Na even music directors obenyo omo aboa na ye omo nyina ofro omo na omo twe omo. And just imagine on name beat in a book and walk sound engineer be what this same individuals come besa kona no grama ne juma wo ye no entumi pie eno na make or no aye interview na o kasa 7 years running omo pe kwan bi so yes ye money nyom ye be dent no ne bu be fu ye video bi minim be bi am ka meji sa video ne kire o e di tells other na music producers na directors ne ye ne sa from most my minimum no brand and chanyo yi na mo twi omo no mo pese on beba ni nyina. It was this same guys they call themselves the gatekeepers near you know omo na omo share kire yes ade no because of Shatta anti say oho obi say Kwame Yodin obi e bo nyoma o pese o pe a ghetto area bi the pattern nyoma no a chose fadama Stonebwoy Betchero say a shaman. Your other guys on top it was the brain child, the idea, the postulation of Shatta Wale on this anime on the status anime or starting in Nima and call on near you know and now cause the first bones and no my men target me honey baby and they get to a yibi. And to me me ma pointers mo who say the media na omo person mo claim credit bi wo mo no omo ye off over the bar. Media and they didn't play any role. The only role they played they say they tried to preach his bad side out there just to tarnish his image. But they didn't know say say na omo ye ne to so that put him out there because the kind of music he's doing it goes with controversy. Do mo anya with a clean mind say bia ye the piano nyumo no mo ye mo say akwa ne ya ade na asem ne nya ne akasa Ghana for bon so mu ade ne niema ne dia painting bad. Say Nigeria nyom fine ye born all right but system ni mu Ghana system ni mu no Nigeria nyomonya ade a I just say the movie Ghanaian movie Jacko mo beji gina ho no sa na Shatta so beji Ghanaian music ni gina this Nigeria nyomonya ade a wantia e yo bibibiem there was a time Ghana ni wo sore na wanti Nigeria nyoma I won't feel comfortable because FM na yetie no mo abo Nigeria nyoma as Ghana musicians ni Ghana me say back tie yeah what we not saying any guys be we expect they say they will be there omo nyina to form assembly yimo no any this guy konti hene mo ne niema no o ko interview omo they will tell you say nipa bi omo what this traditional media ni mu na aye omo sa aka amo omo sa because omo wo the space omo decide say wan nye say nti yam wo. You see, what national health system now? I just said, number one interview, we are no church anymore. Shatta Wale, no, or then who see her, understanding industry, no. So he's directing the industry right now. People don't understand. He is directing industry, no where they were Ghanaian music industry. Guy and I directing at the end. Well, by it say nipa baako or almost more music and but Bibiana is around him. He is that I say shape will be captain or no net baby as or the ifa. Because urban or the approach we buy when say system no saying it here the approach no the buy no or making sure say or understanding approach na wholly say the nyina you operate under the approach. Me person my body bi ka me kan sem bia for Jupiter mo but e won ma bi o wa no go areas bia e bia o touch ya it might turn into something else. One say Jupiter one time Stonebwoy see so na Jupiter so see so ka Jupiter nya e bia they needed support as at that time ka by this time Jupiter no and ka only Stonebwoy so na wo but this one so on the dia yerem I know some of the reasons why identity sa but never be wa ye wo ho kwan but enye kama o kan it will generate another line of a year. So we be be pone fa wa nya betina ha justify sa de no Jupiter we say say na the Jupiter no suddenly because Stonebwoy time as Stonebwoy Trinity and what the peak no and na Jupiter so the peak well but Jupiter they say one ten and cabin. Well, even Jupiter cry at the point, you know, of a speedy system, they just Stonebwoy kakra. Time I want to say the ball enemies, you know. And after hope or vanish from the system, then ask yourselves, then and you know Jaya and answer them. There are certain things to it that logically, you know, you bet mama explanation, you know, but you will be beyond coins, you will be beyond and a fatter. So who issue bar near Bejina or near explain near money. The media no more Ghana and the Shatta is gradually making them in a way redundant. Make media now make come more in the sector of music, you know. One man what me a fight to more ma say in the way, you know. He's chasing Shatta or ban of any live video or on the social media platforms. Or here or be as over promote yeah, though say but it is normal. So by 5 FM stations now it is by you know a friend say monotonous routine of some stressful activities be I do I say or more year for keke but it doesn't one yes I dey na on lose way. Mama mo ade bi nkyerɛ makokre kumanten sembia okeka na nansen ya tie mesrawa you are so many tie same way.
Oh, like Stonebwoy, let me confess. Let me tell you something. When I came to Hit FM, anytime they called Shatta Wale for an interview for Hit FM, he would say no, he won't talk to us. So I told my team that henceforth we're making our own hero, and our own hero is Stonebwoy. And so if you listen to Hit FM, we play Stonebwoy's music.
So that was a personal agenda against Shatta.
No, it's not against. I'm creating my hero. What's wrong with that?
I mean, in my terms, I think it wasn't right.
Are you guys listening to
because what if one day Wait. What you said now?
Albert, let me just.
No, allow Logic to finish.
What Mark said right now means that Shatta was having a personal issue with you. That's why he wasn't ready to speak to Hits FM.
Not
so then there was an
you
agenda.
you said it wasn't me. He himself said that.
Yeah, when you came to Hits FM,
Yes.
that was when he refused to speak to Hits FM.
No. You see?
So when you came to Hits
I said
FM,
when he came, when I came in,
that was
what I have said.
that was how you met him.
Yes.
So why would he do that?
Well,
I don't know. It is, and he said it today that he had disrespected a lot of people in.
One say omo asa twa omo ho eko. Ade ya me boy nuru 2 weeks kura o. One say omo asa twa omo ho eko ho. E say come mo no nsem. Say time a makokreku na e kasa nsem no say time a ono call Hit FM no. O fresh Shatta na Shatta and fan call. Enti or decide so no be creating a hero. Which is Stone Boy. It omo decide say omo mo Shatta wale nyom. A Stone Boy nyom nko an on be den on bebo. E no mo asa twa Mr. Logic e chen say no. Mr. Logic e chen say no. Asem na wo ka no. E di oye na nye right because how say woni no personal problem. Now we generalize a station ni nyina. And you see, no na ya asem na ya me ka no. We no kan if you don't know the genesis of the case, you might think say bia. Who this individual how got na platform bia so those days you are criticizing this guy. Am I Shatta kura ba ye videos tia o ne ye. E ye nyom kura up the point tia o. No asa fa phone na wo frame say bia. How do you expect me? And so they will paint a picture no. What you part now on no kasa those days so criticize akwana free when we start here free baby your friend now one fa call no. Your friend now one fan so we are creating our own hero. And also what is wrong with that? And the omo hero now no creating a Stone Boy. One said ne Stone Boy so be gina wa kasa say FM stations name pushing nyom. Any bloggers name pushing nyom say yes omo pushing nyom. And the dust moot now recently and send be a Shatta near you more Canada become more money you crab. Say so many years I Johnny go back. Munina sa Johnny I go back. That is what I'm telling you, guy, you know, what understand time I'll call back. No. Maybe my man was a messenger sa audio na watch the one. But my man more tea and some be a home yam pa. Maybe I'll tea away in
slaps. Come and call you somewhere, you know, and ask you why are you doing that? Put you in my car, go and park somewhere, give you another 2 slaps. You know, because they were doing it too much, and I was like, oh, what? I believe this industry has really made me learn a lot. You know, what I would say really shook me sometime was when, you know, they stopped playing my songs on radio.
They stopped playing your songs?
Yeah, you know, like every DJ, like nobody wanted to play Bandana songs.
What did you say? What happened?
Yeah, those are the times when, you know, when you put my poster on the show, I'll come and see you and at least chop 2 slaps. You know, I'll come and call you somewhere, you know, and ask you, why are you doing that? Put you in my car, go and park somewhere, give you another 2 slaps. You know, because they were doing it too much, and I was like, oh, but why don't you can you do that to Two-Face? No. You know, so what I think, those times too, I was young, so I wanted to fight for, you know, let them know, because I was like Budog saying, I've been watching stars all over the world, and you know, they don't treat them like that. So I was wondering why Ghanaians are treating their stars like that. So, you know, it made me put up some anger, you know, but later on, like, as I was going with the career, I was like, oh, this is all mine, you know, this one.
So how long did they stop playing your music?
For about like 7-8 years.
Really?
Yeah, you know, from Bandana, after Bandana from Ghana, 2 years, you know, they stopped because, you know, I was...
What in seminar? Nipa na no mo bet na pe credit no. What in sema Shatta no oka. We no 2014 2015 no ka sa sema. The time ani entin nka nyina those days are call down no. One call down not because say bia no onye nyomo no oye nyom but these individuals were behind. You see, we are just hoping say at the right time no. Through ye mubi no. System no bet my assessor. Ena adwene na ekuta Shatta na ye mubi so ye den nam. Ghana na kwa baby a unka class be who they don't want to regard you. Charlie, who are you to dictate the pace? Ghana na kwa baby a tie no ntina utumi kona okopa adwuma na ebusa o free busua ben mo. It is foolishness. Ebusua na eba ba ya adwuma no utumi kona okopa adwuma na ebusa o se o free kro ben so sa niema no ena essay kro no ebia nka nipa na obepa adwuma no one base on sa niema na disqualify na ebia nka nipa no one na the best candidate na ko betuma ya adwuma na ma adwuma na tumi a benefit obi a enso na obi on what to feel say me ho ne de me be say me kro mu ni na be hye ho nti no ama ade a nka say the right person be na benefit obi a na one individual na mani nyina ahwere obi a. These guys no amugugu FM stations near you know. Bon. Before we bow nyom kura near you know. Just say oh where you will be or wow. On to me no onye cool. E bia o life e kuta no so life e kuta no munye the same. E juma na amamo be meeting. The juma be meeting no seed na beto ani ma. E say obo. No akwa no kura na ohwe na ya na oba e che bi e hye ne niema nti me de. And so immediately on better say we break it through no more say twa omo ho omo ti say we break it through pe no more say twa omo ho me ma men kan ade bi nkire o asema ma kokre kumante no o kan na exact words me ba me no me wa they follow all these things. We know they deal with sycophants or fake. Mamen kan ade ne nkire o eba o Ose Shatawale was giving airtime. That is after VGM, no. After VGM issues, no. Omunya problem. So he was giving airtime worth 45 minutes on Peace FM by Kwesi Abuaje. And that was an agenda set by Kwesi Abuaje to help his comeback. Traditional media played a role in making Shatawale end. It's a fact. He still rely on TV and radio to make it more bigger. Shatawale cannot in any way say traditional media did not help him in any way at all. And that only his fans and social media made him who he is today. Now, remember where the Niema person me did you see a free, the understanding I mean free Niema na watchro ewahana. Oh, chese wa be picking argument at time a VGM Shatawale ni Stonebwoy issues near Omuma Shatawale time and he explaining on here. No. That time Shatawale was already Shatawale. That time Shatawale was already Shatawale. Enti that issue no man at time, one man at time, or it doesn't add up or change anything. So nipani be duro srowa, obia obe duro srowa. Everybody prefer to dine with you. Oh, everybody want to dine with you. Obe duro srowa. But the thing is, how will you get there? Ladder no here then what duro so. The pushing is the most important thing. She said, one money pan no fight be duro sro na o catch us obe duro sro mama opportunity. Then you person original also make a case. Then where lies the genuineness? Obi awo chire say at a point where you say you make your own hero. The same individual also you said you make your own hero. And our hero now be making no. We say more Shatawale you become more friend and no fam call. Meanwhile we have say before that no ko jina be we kasa tia kwa ne say nyom kura wo ye ne yi. Anya nyom papa. Enti Shatta there any ko jina be o say me and my fans. Okwa bi o kasa bi o say chale me and my fans. Me and my where say na so kano. There is no news in Ghana. There is no news. They've tried. Almost share that and I said, Bob, said they will put this guy down. Almost yeah. What time I want to say the issue in the buy no. the any media houses he chiro kafa hey challenge on be a sako the any munyina kese for can nyina found just to lock the guy down. Enti credit be a new one, but so one was a guy and he's far gone just this year, yeah. Nenyum or the friends are just a space of time. It's a gringo no crowd yet. I can't say the Rain album the last year, just last year to Samria or the Beyonce, ye billboard, nenyum na PSB. Not nice more years so a POB. And more opportunities never now. More opportunities never now because he's dictating the pace. Everything in Ghana right now, revolving around music, it revolves around Shatta Wale. Nani pa dream say e be a peace no cross and I say e be a peace nearby no and can be affected Shatta Wale. But peace nearby no cross and man sound mind and now he's breaking more barriers. I remember by a video fast idea no. Me pe dia be video Shatta Wale before and after making peace. It make me young said no say na problem no na stone boy mom na boy na more because here you say na problem no it was other helping Shatta. Yeah, doing a problem no one be an eye, but where cross a problem if through away and rather it is pushing the guy up there more. Only Beyonce nyum we ya me TFM stations be an on person mo ya kasa nyum no nshada nya yi but you don't have any option. He's far gone. Nipa na what me build you on what so money ne nam no. Enya de wo can be stop here you. Into the argument no more than the traditional media no it is flawed. They didn't play any role on authority. Authority now make kind of permanent research and get even near my no. Arguments now me raising one. Or more play any role be a or more role or more play and say no more person or more picking the negative news. Now or more there or more locking it down. But no more news the negative news no more picking any woman and man here popular. And I'm actually say family negative news now ko ton a na ye me popular won't mean ko give credit won't mean fama de bone en ko to abonten na e bia nyame adom ade bone na dane abaye ade a aton me na wasan twa won se wo na ade me ko ye nya ne sa Niasa the city me ametiana. Oh, Ghana no, you can manipulate the system very simple. We don't just Shatta bundle. Me and metina as a Shatta bundle videos. Me and 1 and 2. And I'm a target some richer you be here introduction be found. Well, because I'm a head near man I know I name is straight. And I'm so me obi and was appeal na me chicha as shame. Obi ebinum send him inbox a code why they post this John guy and this thing I was no. Sometimes something if you push you where you go do something where you yourself cry, you don't know. It be a guy and also break through any that area. And don't mean to say who are the saying by all means it should be about you. Nipan and say no, Charlie the world me. I mean you come out, you see me my party Santa me those days are day Ghana I met 2 other bracken. Me were call junkies call junkies me share more maybe a 2 city I mean the more many on bet na say be sere near then I move. Obet my pass secret be my brother. Obet my life in be and I want this secret leader. On we information bank and one or money name system anymore. But we live in a country where any panel who knew ya work or school can crab and I say yeah they see oh that be the end of the world. To a mona they never help Shatta. So uncle for they never help them. My boy on one voice I watch you say down I was falling back from the days of Bandana. It was as a result of these same guys. And I'm telling you, sir, there are a lot of musicians on my fading offer. Ka o ben wa money on my kasa. They will tell you, sir, Ebia, where? I'm with me for musicians, so I'm with your moko show. Go home. Well, we are over 7 years. Nani pane de before I say, oh, him make my kilo career. well just yes I the bebre no account is made my kilo carrier oh yeah I'm more money where you should be where ya dear ben no because of Shatta now you're a musician you do kobo show those days before the days of Shatta Wale no yeah the boys near the tree on this obi to me to start for image you know they are two posters so akoye you know they are bosho adi omuska dikwa. This guy buy a whole Ghana Music Award so year or J Artist of the Year I think 2015 at the same. Or guy be you know someone tuan is kabi a one call or one tuan is can on so anko. One be a CAF Awards or Ghana. CAF Awards no mama whiskey music bi e ma etua Shatta de bi Shatta chese processes na sika na fa beton account mu no or suspect fa wo play bi or tijina e wan ko at the end there's a CAF mu apologize e ma no this individual de no ho twetwa so a ma say Ghana we kwa me yoje mu nyina wa pave way na makwa me yoje mu wa pave way ama kwa me yoje mu wa pave way is pata pa mu nyina ko perform ya ya ma di kan ma contract no make sure say scanner to account mu ansa na wakọ akobo show pave way making promise mu nyina na ete Ghana na promoters to me ko Nigeria ko fa Nigerians ba e mo be show ami wa na Ghanaian musicians or be promote you just because of promoting ni pana will reach up there. Just because of promoting the person will get up there into when your name promote you. It took this individual called Shatta Wale no Baba criticize the system open one-on-one full play. One yan say be a osura na so ye you or mu di dinner term no so ye live videos boom. Me I gave you an essay and me kwatena se me to me bo ase na me hwe me call back of on mako kreku mante those days are no more ye twema mentwe no okreku mu kwatena FM no mo tugum zo onya de no so di atem fra at point cause okreku mu hu na de mo nka ho mo comment. This Akosi Abuaji a all chres Akosi Abuaji man. There was a time on Akosi Abuaji mo nya pin wo piece for much chres if they can't preach good about him then they shouldn't talk about him. I say what to me I my system no respect ne sanity about that system no say Kwame Eugene kidi mu nyina patapa mu nyina enjoy from the struggle the labor of Zakwa no. Na buy as a man nka SM fans ne nkwana print media na print media nya say nipa no ko hokwa o ye oniema bebre wo a o kofa wa agise wo san tua nyema bebre wo a o kofa mu wo a agise wo san tua ye de kura it pushes people my choice Shatta band mo de na I just sat down and me take a guy na yi oh na mpese me ye interview na saying na me say no bundle no it be like make I leave am there doing things more. When I things where we do self like this no cry they go far past most some of the FMs they just did that they take money they talk plenty and things. Oh yeah and then they want sabotage you me ni binom go YouTube me person me name be o one want mention name me ni be e wo YouTube they flag my video be o me peke just 40 seconds pe o 40 seconds per abra video no kra nya ene video a video be 4 years ago video and I'm me father joining ade bi na me hear voice e bi over bi e wo so akese for e share that report my YouTube for the ban or the strike to me so just because any yasa me tiwa me yes ane ma na any ya because me a whole institution and me an individual and so what. I don't bonny no more the system in Musa. The only thing they say who say you are making it but then they want to just come and join. No money watch your success story no. But it shouldn't be about the success story. Struggles na nipa ne fa no and as o ne fam. Me started a year me say oh. Me guys be wa me started new no or mo follow me. Ti ebia met me post here de na nipa na be tro comment no me hu ne say chale it no be good for me. Meet me call the inbox when my change chale you know what me I respect you as I started do this my social media stuff. As he say you be one of the guys where you so if you know they understand something I I beg you, make we not go out and behave as if we don't know each other. You fit inbox me. Na nipa na there, me try to say nipa na appreciate it. Next time, no, Charlie, call this issue there, go on like this. Any obi or why you don't know how I start to do my things. You don't know if you are the buff my comment on a dey be a buffoon and just scam them, they rep nonsense. That way to I can open they also diss you direct. More guys they like that. Me start me also me and them na they comment then issue be banner be or try a nipa or be anya perfect. Me call him bonzo bro. Charlie this thing there another special like if I go out there and go rep like that. We shatter then they no shatter munina they do that thing. Our lawyer guys on your nama. Those days, you know, they feel correct them, Charlie, bro. This side yeah, no tea. But now obi a obetena FM station now be dictate your man and say do it like this. It must go this way. So they don't help them. It be just simple like that. Them you know they need no credit. Omu need here credit some the way be. Omu ye boot Siko fans no omu go osan. There's no credit for them. Shatta one, it be very smart. One of them say, why should I change and the dust munina? Me say he is dictating the pace so well Ghana or no. He's dictating another way dictating pace, you know, you will see. Says we create peace. Peace now, first in a controversy, oh yeah, one jinaha or bejinaha. Say what the peace about and to one jinaha. It means that unya baby, you know. More boys that they follow Stone Boy than things, and they don't be from them a heart. It just be say they not or more Shatta, they really like Shatta in things they do, the controversy and things. No, that be why they go fall for the other side. So say peace a banner or more who you are more yet. Because European to a Stone Boy now or London near you now, me I know they see anything self. Me work social me who they be a news be a bia or social media be a Nancy and Shatta Wale Kobo show away or Bukom. It be normal show no Kobo or Bukom. O Kobo show Buko any artist be or Kobo show Bukom pia. It be normal. But SM for no ama o social media be up to now and only news and pada soka. And only news and ipada soka. Abra bin more land than a boy we expect say common crop for us baba yeah, but you not hear these things. If we wrong forces where we dey Ghana like that, you know. The braina omo ya idea no be from them heart. Fake people so then they the town inside. To one fast on radical name be and always obe take action. Right now, me as at the city, me ya idea. Me busawo, but me busawa it doesn't mean that some now can it ends there. Because ni perceive so no wrong advice be a ni pennyful be on one system ni man ni pa by this time ni pa far gone. Ghanaian guy never heard him say no I should have my advice because him say no man careful advice na me the man na kwano me man here I bet me I shoot it direct. No my advice na gap be down. To be ya won so ya na on na akosi gap ni mo. Till later nipa be nipa na won so ni on say no. Nipa na ya do more nante no. They're not should be real like that. So we will for take third eyes then they watch them. Till now no say no me I do something I go ask you some person me who wa adwene ekuta but make me share that sample nipa 5 no abuso o mo so obi abeka asem different oba join on so mo nyina nails nkwa na ekuta o mo no two phones na efutuo ni mfi na koma mo no o ma we futuo no o ja gaps bi wo Ghana is one of the finest places and can you penny for more lady or more authority no come here near my yard Charlie like go by this time we are all far gone. Just did there na kick ideas you know brand never did that form na or Montreal. Montreal said this guy you know he created his own studio because no one says idea no over koni pane ho ena chale enyomo no kwase san no ko eni se uzu ni se enyomo no say na wo de beto abontia o fans na eniom befa Tese wa ma young boys ni nyina young boys no mo bonyo mo Ghana ni nyina wonya computer keto bi sini wa ono aye ni beat the way opeso ya nyomo no aye nyomo na ba the way opeso ya nyomo no aye nyomo na ba those the sound engineers no keto bi appear to some harmony yi omo bobo kese ni yi wa anya sika na ama it means nyomo no the song can't come out wa beji sa monopoly ni nyina free system ni mu being spy boys say no, it can go beyond that. Shut up, cry say music and nema. Me I say omo funny na man no ma handles adem. That music and here like therefore just take give am because in ideas ni nema bia or the war system ni mo. Well, na say o steady scene na no Charlie. These things we do Shatta I be sharp guy. Me I be deep. Ena me observe niema. So the way me to observe no, I dey see if I meet another sharp guy, I dey see. One say on a normal day, and it not be easy to say the caliber of Shatta no pass be a Kamal and this thing for just interview me like that. Once you push you around. Because these things we they do it get once I have you have direct access to a be a nipa on a daily. So more follow me anyway, me tear me a live video. You have direct contact. And I say no, this kind of blogging idea is gaining a lot of grounds with a lot of following. Enti wama other bloggers muni ni camp kura say look, me na me ti wono sa no. Obi a wo ya ade bia ma me no wo hu me tenchen a me take me time so cut down ko hwe what wo hu e ya adwini on dis o e bia obi just best scout ana obi foforo bi tenchen na e bia woni ne campa afa wo ti okra na wo tirimu ya o style bi chale the guy no de ade na wa ye ne de wa ko ne guy no e na ahwe nkomo a o ne guy ne di ya o ne di nkomo ti say e house nkomo oko FM station they talk about something different ba obedi nkomo say de ma ba me ne me SM4 na ahia ne de ye di fie nkomo na ye ho nkomo enti afa wo na wo different camp kura na wo tirimu no wa ma obedin bi a say hu de obeye Chine say ba ena eyesa aso a untumi ko fresh stone boy ade chinye stone boy brana me interview eyesa na eyesa de ayi no tina afi unhu de wo system no wato adwuma ama time bia we smart already see na wa yen. And of course if you study usua ade ko akira they even indicate say by the next 10 years now people who have a lot of dominance, by and more influence on social media. Where research near manina by I said by the next 10 years from some rare con Crawford more influence and Crawford more a lot of dominance over social media. And this is a guy on also where on also tenacity and research. Ain't he? Who wants to capture the seaho? Now by a cow say print media, traditional media, radio stations near so yes, or success story. Nipa Ghana and Kwan FM station, you got now and I share a busa or question the assembly. Hey, answers now, woman, and you know, more pill, or no, the person will pia one, or can be na dear say, what can he say? Yana me junu wa mentiasi so mo sheda na ya no mo pese banisa na ase din ya obi about show so at least just ask it o mo sheda na o won say o ka o girlfriend ai mi wo bi na won fa na chi na o mbaye ya na o bon say nipa na ko kana ade san o apie nya substance na nipa na de ba bontin no pe o controversy ni ade ono no be nya afa ho de aye na news. And Ghana is just a place I am a cancer evangelist at there money nyina. You know they've understood Ghanaians and they feed Ghana near my Ghana for pay. Yeah, I'm a correct evangelist are there most of the times. Our topics be a while be discuss here ni pangre. Our topics be a while. Our topics be a while be discuss. Will be any of our topics no. The ones say yeah I know what te back no they have been num say pan now across board. Now see all the Vivian jail buy mono. Okwa 500 600 life no more. But on a normal day or you will not see it like that. Oh, the utmost a nipa no. Or no so what tenants and what steady system will feed the Ghana for any near my open kwa. Then any party country any party again born wicked to wicked your forces now. Oh. The main conclusion I made ba wahane say me end the live video. The conclusion is say traditional media for now mo claim say mo na shatter mo din yi. Omo say why e de. Omo say why e de nti on be say omo de omo ntoma e ko chichire ho. There be a fin wo de na omo huri atra. E ho ye clean na omo asan rasha wa betina ho bi. Omo say that grounds no e be pure. Shatter in grounds no it be pure. News be a free camp over a success. News be a free camp over a success. And this is more person more than to my head. A cobbots area. Maybe a video be review on. Some time ago, maybe a video be na say. You almost pretend it. Oh, they say ya almost a started shatter Beyonce. What they must shatter nya some negative news. You go with the way on besia so mwaka. On beka adena in such a way say, do you say on person more ben shut or more ben not because say or more failure, but money option. Or money option because he's now the news. You see, and I make canon. We say he's the news. He's now the news. Ghana will not be about the person is marketable. And just I can say for no, almost do more than a batter by two bones and negative news. But the wrong base how money I hear on month. A video was last year. Time I shut up a Ghana village. Now me person me justify. Emma me try ni pass on me tie full video no sa video no me ma crofo ba me inbox be di atem na so David Jones me tie full video na shata kasa kan sembebre about Ghana, the positive things about Ghana. Emma o sa kasi so crass on omo wo ho no money opportunity no come betumi a come come back to Ghana at a certain point to invest in Ghana to help the system. And o kasi so and the issue of village near the Ebam. I can say for ignore the Akanina, I can say for ye free and a village, no, almost so much a kind. And coffee village, no, no more dear, no, oh, shatter this Ghana, shatter do this. Because if he's smart guy, no, no, society, or Sunday, young. Or Saturday and young betum, saying your mona Moses said, yeah, the moon santi and you may go and download this song, Namunti, Namunti, and seminar me kind of cry, and you will make money out of it. That is a smart business person. And mature so on that general, it seems 7 years now, cast on more money, you know, a man, and a big schooling period per man, and it takes real survivors. So obey must stand the test of time. No, as I back very strong. Be brilliant to me and my back. And he says, you know, I the lead na ikuta no e more than it. Na e den kura na e din e bo mutiri mo mutumi kwatena ase discuss ase o mo no so ya o mo mudin. Won fa credit mo money yi. Hwe bia no. So you make I end the live video for here. Make the live video no. Ebe siwa. but issues ne de e ba we me kwa premier o me YouTube page o ma won say Diana maybe I should try to know you personally. Ma won say you follow me on YouTube nyina any famous too they follow me was I think any Instagram then you see the game where we now a big game where we dey inside and a game no nyame aboa me say I me cognitive mind me to kwan ko share baby and am misua niema about cognition, about reasoning, psychology niema ma na nyene kura da say it can relate to sa niema way ni party our discussing and I never thought say bia a bit ma be beneficial ewo baby say well it is part of life na e woman those way that they comment for my videos and things I they observe make me who suddenly bia obi amene start maintaining ka bia make me call nipa ni inbox na me wo macho man bi akwa wo macho man pa me kai me starting na you know be easy those days now they go too hard. Now they talk too hard. Niema bia enye se ni kra kwa na niema kotina wa keka bia. So now the insults to the come. Na me wo macho guy wo koye Ghana's strongest no kra bi akwa no. So ono de na if board me ba nkofo so ono so tumi be di nkofo na tem guma bi. Ti na se na maintain nka. E na message ne se o chale. E shock am say not knowing na no one says I need money and me follow. And I'm a chance say I follow. If I no comment, I mean say I know the follow. And I'm a catching so now I'm maintaining kind of so Charlie code, you know be me you know say I go the Ghana strongest and things, as I come now make busy there in the whole and I'm a catching say Charlie a day the things when I go on or not I follow behind the scene. But as I see as a real brother there, I for link you up there. Then know what's up. So that be the thing. Charlie, me to a day in my mind, me to see myself say, Charlie, these things now come in a logical discussion. I mean, who wants to nobody. I swear, I see myself say issue become where make we put pen to paper then apply the brain. Where the brain where I say that no be say it be a unique. Matinatina baby. Me a school for boko self, boko me kafra kasa ne da kosa se kasa cry no go. I speak Hausa self, no go believe say me. Me I stay for Bolga I stay for Adabraka. Those days was so fresh at that Shatawale mo but now that time so I teach for Accra High. But what bet na se na wan kan wa asema. Be some people say African rep, so this guy those days they call you know if you speak English and things that they laugh. Maybe English now they teach for Accra High School. Charlie, do make I end the video for you.